Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Google section. Then click on Autofill. Select Autofill with Google and tap on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. If the switcher is gray, that means that autofill is off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!